Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau is scheduled to vacation in Jamaica after the Christmas holidays.
Now, it's a big deal as the international media have been reporting on it since the announcement.
However, stakeholders in Jamaica say it's no surprise as Brand Jamaica continues to be a big deal for celebrities. Reports of Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's vacation plans for Jamaica started flooding the internet and international media sometime Thursday. According to the Canadian Prime Minister's office, PMO, Mr. Trudeau and his immediate family will spend 1 week in Jamaica after the Christmas holidays. For head of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, Robin Russell, this only confirms what the sector had projected.
So this is a clear signal that Jamaica is open for business and is going to be a wonderful season.
Mr. Trudeau is the latest in a list of high-profile visitors who have visited Jamaica in recent weeks. Popular American actress Tracee Ellis Ross vacationed in Portland recently, flooding her Instagram page with pictures and videos of her reveling in Jamaican culture. And American entertainers Cardi B and Offset also vacationed in the country recently.
This is just the celebrities that we're seeing. So there are other celebrities that are here that has to be, private. So we're not allowed to say when those celebrities are here, whether they come or leave. But Jamaica is the playground for the celebrities.
For the Canadian Prime Minister's visit, his office stated that it checked with the Federal Ethics Commissioner ahead of the plans to ensure it follows guidelines. This as Mr. Trudeau had been found in violation of conflict of interest rules by flying to the Bahamas on a private jet for a vacation in 2016. Canadian laws stipulate that the Prime Minister must fly on a Royal Canadian Air Force plane for security reasons at all times. But despite the optimism locally, a massive winter storm in North America has forced the cancellation of hundreds of flights and the postponement of several others. Mr. Russell confirmed that dozens of reservations had been cancelled because of the weather. While describing it as unfortunate, he says the industry is not overly perturbed by this development.
We had canceled flights, so people are stuck in Jamaica. People who wanted to come down can't this week, but we know they're going to make up for it, so we'll see them next week.
Jamaica's winter tourist season started on December 15. According to the tourism minister, Jamaica has received more than 40,000 visitors in the first week alone.